بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم،
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے۔
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق،
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا۔
خلق الانسان من علق،
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی۔
اقرأ وربک الاکرم،
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے،
الذی علم بالقلم،
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا۔
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم،
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا۔
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. This is class 4 and the period is English language text E1. I'm your text teacher. This is our 8th video. In this video we will review all the content of first semester midterm session 2020 and 21. In this session, in this midterm, we have studied 5 chapters. Unit number 1 is the quiz, unit number 2 the water cycle, unit number 3 cliffhanger, unit number 5 the mysterious cupboard, and the last unit number 8 man on the moon. The work of this unit, unit number 8, you will have to do from our previous video number 7. Before starting the review, let's have a small recap of our previous video of week number 7 and the video number 7. In our previous video of video 7, week number 7, we started a new unit number 8, Man on the Moon. Man on the Moon, it is a story, or in this unit, a story, a newspaper report is given to you of a remarkable event of history, when for the first time in the history of mankind, 2 astronauts were be able to step on the moon first time. On 21 July 1969, 2 astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, stepped on the moon for the first time in the history of mankind. They took photograph and they were on the moon for about 2 hours. We did some exercises also, and you have to do all the work of unit number 8 from our video number 7 of week number 7. Now come back to the today's video. In today's video, we will review all the content of first semester midterm at one glance. As I told you, in this semester midterm, we have studied 5 units. Unit number 1, the quiz. You have to make content in your copy like this. First on the red line, you give the head as midterm content. Then write all the unit like unit number 1, the quiz. Unit number 2, the water cycle. Write the unit name with unit number. Unit number 3, cliffhanger. Unit number 5, mysterious cupboard. And unit number 8, man on the moon. Now let's start the review with unit number 1, the quiz. The quiz is a mysterious story. Dan, Lad and Fortune Taylor, they were the 3 main characters of this story. It is a mysterious story, and one day a fortune teller predict that they don't go on the sea because there is a death on the sea. After hearing this prediction, Dan became worried. So he was afraid. He was not going on the beach. But nothing happened like that. पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Even they got the what they think, some wreck of the ship and many silver fishes. So this all thing happened in unit number 1, the quiz. Now come to the exercises. In this chapter, we read the chapter, explain the chapter, and even the dictation also taken from this chapter. Now come to the exercises. What exercises or what comprehension are included in this unit? This is your book, Make Me Learn English 5, book number 5. Now come to the open your book and come to the unit number 1. The page number is 8. Come to his exercises in this chapter on this unit. With it, comprehension 1. Comprehension 1 and 2 included in your content. What they are asking in comprehension number 1. Comprehension number 1, look back, find the correct answer and circle them. Some statements are given with 2 answer and with 2 statements. You have to circle the correct one. For example, Dan was dash fisherman or fortune teller. Yes, from the unit number 1, the quiz. The quiz is included in your content. Comprehension number 1, comprehension number 2 are included in your content. You have to prepare this for your exam, for your assessment. What to do in comprehension number 1? Look back, find the correct answer and circle them. You have to circle the correct answer. For example, Dang was dash, a fisherman and fortune teller. You have to tell who is Dang. Is it a fisherman or fortune teller? Obviously, Dang was a fisherman, so you have to circle the A. Now come to the comprehension number 2. In comprehension number 2, there are 5 questions are given. You have to write their answer. For example, why was Dan worried? Why was Dan worried? He was worried because fortune teller told him that there is a death in the sea. Now come to the vocabulary. Vocabulary 1 and vocabulary 2. Both vocabularies are included in your content. Now come to the vocabulary number 1. Find adjective in this story which describe. What is adjective? Well, describing words are called adjective, or you can say an adjective adds something to the meaning of noun. Like the sky. Sky is a noun. What kind of sky was there? The sky was clear and blue. These are the adjective of sky. So you have to do this word like this. Now come to the vocabulary number 2. Find adjective which means the opposite. Use the thesaurus on page number 166. Opposite means antonym. Now here you will write the antonym. Some adjectives are given like calm, good, expensive. You have to write their antonym or opposite. Like calm, rough, good, bad. Now come forward. Come to the spelling. Spelling 1 and 3 is included in your content. What to do in spelling 1? Spelling 1, do the sum, make the adjective. Some words are given. You have to add IVE in it and then the word become the adjective. For example, EXPENSE, expense. Expense is a noun. When we add IVE here, it become expensive adjective. So what to do in this exercise? Nouns are given. You have to add IVE and then make their adjective. Now come to the spelling 3. Spelling 1 and 3 are included. Use the adjective have made to finish these sentences. Some pictures are given to you. You have to write their adjective. Like the tree is massive, girl is secretive, watch is expensive, the boy is lazy, he is not active. Now come to the class writing. Class writing 1, 2, 3. 3 of them are included in your content. Number 1, you can also fill this exercise on your book. Even number 2 and number 3 is given to you on the solution. Now come back. Now come to the another chapter of unit number 2, the water cycle. Yes, now come to the unit number 2, the water cycle. Water cycle. Well, water cycle is a unit number 2 is a very informative unit and it gives you the complete information about rain. That how does the rain come from the cloud? Through the 10 steps. Like first, sun heating up the water, then the water vapor become, then the water vapor, then there was a process of evaporation, then the water vapor rises into the sky, then there is a process of condense, and then after there were a process of droplet, and all the droplet when joined together and become big and heavy, they fall as rain in our earth. This is the unit. Now come to its exercises. Even in this unit, some pictures are given to you. Here it is, 5 pictures are given to you, about 5 different clouds. For example, and they give the information about these cloud. Now come to its exercises. Yes, this is unit number 2, the water cycle, and it include in our content. Now come to its exercises. Comprehension 1 and 2 included in our syllabus. Now come to comprehension number 1. Number the sentence in correct order. Some sentences are given to you regarding to the step they are defining in the unit. You have to arrange this sentence according to their step. Okay, like when the water gets warm, it becomes water vapor. It is the step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever the step is, you have to write the number. It is the number step number 2. Now come to the Comprehension number 2. Discuss the answer to these questions. Look at the picture and information on page number 17. Some questions are given to you. You have to write their picture number according to the page number 17. As I told you, on page number 17, some clouds picture are given to you with clouds information. You have to read this information and then solve this comprehension. For example, which clouds are wispy? Picture number 3 clouds are wispy. Then come to the vocabulary. Vocabulary 1. Only vocabulary number 1 is included. Write each set of word in alphabetical order. You have to, some word set are given to you. You have to arrange this set in alphabetical order, like sun, sea, storm, sky. You have to arrange this word in alphabetical order. Means जो पहले A से आता है, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is alphabetical order. Sea, sky, storm, sun. In this way, you will have to do this exercise. Now come forward. Spelling 1, 2. Spelling 1 and 2 are included. Now what to do in spelling number 1? Match the word and picture, write the word. Some words are given to you and pictures are given to you. You have to identify the picture and write the word. For example, what the picture is. The picture is a station, invitation, fraction and direction. Identify the picture and write their name. Now come to the spelling 2. In spelling 2, they are saying that some words are given to you. Yes, some verb are given to you. When we add T-I-O-N into that word change into the noun. For example, C-O-L-E-C-T, collect. Collect is a word. When we add T-I-O-N with collect, it become collection, become noun. Like this, you have to do this exercise in your copy. Now come forward to the class writing. Discuss what is happening in each picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pictures are given to you. You have to write what is happening in each picture with the help of the unit, the water cycle. This is a word that is included in your content of midterm. Now come forward towards the unit number 3. Yes. Now come to the unit number 3, cliffhanger. Cliffhanger is an adventurous story. Tim father and Tim's mother. These three were the main character of that unit. What happened in this unit? Well, Tim is a very timid boy. He was 9 years old boy, but he was very timid and coward. He don't like outdoor game and adventurous sport. But his father had a different nature. He liked adventure sport a lot. So he decided to take the Tim to an adventure camp. Adventure camp is a place where lots of children are stay together and they do lots of exciting things, and adult help him to do those things. So Tim doesn't want to go on adventure holiday, but his father took him there for forcefully. Even though Tim's mother is a very caring mother, she also doesn't want Tim go to the adventure camp. But Tim and Tim's mother both were compelled in front of their father. His father took them to the adventure camp. Now let's see what happened in the story. Tim take interest in the adventure or not. This is the story of becoming a boy or Tim of an adventurous person, of a courageous or brave person. Now come to the exercises. Or comprehension. Comprehension 1 and 2. Both comprehension are included in your content. Come to the comprehension number 1. Circle T or false F. Some statements are given to you, 6 statements, and there are option T for true and F for false are given. You have to identify the sentence and write and circle the correct one. Is it the statement is true? Circle the true. If the statement is false, circle the false. Now come to the number 1. Tim wanted to go on an adventure holiday. First statement is Tim wanted to go on an adventure holiday. This statement is correct or not? T or F? Obviously the sentence or the statement is false. So circle the F here. In this way, in this manner, you will solve this exercise. Now come to the comprehension 2. In comprehension number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions are given. You have to write their answer and memorize their answer as well. For example, question number 1 is, Tim tell us my heart had started thumping under my t-shirt. How do you think he was feeling? I think he was feeling fear. Solution is given to you. Do this word into your copy according to the solution and also memorize this word. Now come to the vocabulary. Vocabulary number 1. In vocabulary 1, root words are given to you. What are the root words? When we add to the beginning or at the end to some word to make the word longer, this is called the root word. For example, hope, some root words are given here. You have to identify some words and their root words are given in the box. You have to identify the root words and write there. For example, number 1 is hope. What is the root word or hope? Hardest, unknown, smiling, hopeless, harder. Hopeless is the root word of hope, right here. Then safety, knowing, unsmiling, hoping or unsafe. Obviously hoping is also the root word of hope. In this manner you will solve this exercise. Now come forward to the spelling. Spelling 1 and 3. Only spelling 1 and 3 included in your content. Now come to the spelling 1. Complete each word, write the word. Some adjectives are given to you. Add ENT. When you add ENT in these words, they become the adjective. But when we add same as a E and CE, some words are given. When we add ENC to these words are become abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Well, the noun which we can only think of are called abstract noun. For example, slip, hope, joy, hate, love. SIL, when we add ENT there, it becomes silent adjective. Add ENT and then make the adjective. On the other side, you have to add ENCE and make their abstract noun. For example, SIL, when we add ENCE into SIL, it becomes silence. Silence is an abstract noun. Okay, now come forward to the spelling 3. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. Write the word. You have to, two choices are given to you, adjective and abstract noun. You have to identify which word is correct in this sentence and write the word here. Number 1 is, Tim was silent or silence when his dad spoke to him. Which word come here? Adjective or abstract noun? Well, here adjective is suitable to write silent here. In this manner you will do this exercise. Now come forward to the class writing. Class writing 1, 2, 3 and 4. All class writing are included. Okay, what to do in number 1? Discuss and choose one of these things to write about. Some sports, some adventure sports are given to you like abseiling, canoeing, archery, mountain biking. You have to choose one sport and then write about that sport. Now come to the number 2. Begin the story on the board like this. Today I did dash. Again you have to choose one here and write about that activity. Then finish the adventure, discuss your idea about, you have to write your whole activity and give the answer of this question, like what you were doing, describe the activity. Whatever the activity you chose, write the name and describe that activity also. In this way you will have to solve this exercise. The solution is given to you from this school. You have to write this word in your copy with date and week wise. So this is the unit number 3, or we learn in unit number 3 this exercise. Yes, so this is the chapter unit number 3. Now come forward to the unit 5, the mysterious cupboard. Well, mysterious cupboard is a Fiction story. I told you what is a fiction story. Fiction stories are those stories which are not based on real thought or real evidence. They are based on just on your imaginary thought. In Mysterious Cupboard, Tina and her mother were the main character of this story. When Tina and her family moved to a house in a country. The house was very old and large house. Tina's bedroom was under the window and it had sloping ceiling. Yes, Tina's bedroom had a sloping ceiling, and already Tina's bedroom had a old and large cupboard. But that cupboard was not an ordinary cupboard. Why? Because the cupboard had a way to go towards the beach. This is the mystery of the cupboard. And when Tina and her mother also went into the cupboard, and they through the cupboard, they came out from the beach. This is the story. Now come to its exercises. What exercises are included in this unit? Unit number 5, the mysterious cupboard. Now come to its exercises. Comprehension 1 and 2, both are included. What to do in comprehension number 1? Number the sentence in the correct order. Again, some sentence or some words are given to you. You have to manage them in a sequence way and write their correct order. Means जो पहले हुआ है आपने उसे पहले लिखना है. Like Tina opened the door with a chair. It is happened first? No. It is a step number 6. Read the chapter carefully, then you will be able to solve this exercise by yourself. Now come to the extra comprehension 2. Discuss your answer to this question. 5 questions are given to you. You have to write the answer and memorize as well for your assessment. Number 1 is, why do you think the boxes were labeled? आपको क्यों लगता है कि label जो boxes थे label थे? Because the boxes were labeled for identification. Now come forward to vocabulary. In vocabulary, homophones are given to you. What are homophone? Homophones are those words that have the same pronunciation but have the different meaning and different spelling are called homophone. Like O-N-E-1, W-O-N-1. Both are pronounced in the same way but both have different meaning and different spelling. So this is called homophones. Sound same but spelling and meaning were changed. Now come to the vocabulary 1. Write the correct word. Use the dictionary page to help you. Number 1 is, would you dig a hole or hole? 2 homophones are given to you. H-O-L-E hole, W-H-O-L-E hole. Both are pronounced same but both have the different meaning. So you have to choose the correct one and write here, dig. When you talk about the dig, W-H-O hole means all and H-O-L-E hole means a pit, you can say. Yes, dig means आपने किसी जगह पे किसी चीज को खोदना है, तो आप क्या यूज करेंगे, all या फिर pit. Obviously hole. In this way you will solve this exercise. Now come forward to the spelling. In spelling they are saying, if the word end in T-U-R-E, if the word end in T-U-R-E, the word sound like chur. For example, adventure, fracture, mixture, capture. So spelling 1 and 2 both are included. Come to the spelling 1. Discuss and write what each word mean. Use the dictionary page. Some words are given to you. You have to write their meaning. Number 1 is adventure, capture, literature, fracture, mixture. Adventure mean an exciting time. Now come to the spelling 2. In spelling 2, 4 pictures are given to you and 4 names are given to you. You have to identify the picture and write the correct name to it. For example, come to the picture 1. What is this? It is a picture. Write picture here. Come to the 3. What picture is showing to you? Here, puncture. In this way you will solve this exercise. Now come forward to the class writing. Class writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All class writing are included in your subject. 1 to 5 are board work and the 6 is given to you. Memorize this class writing from the given solution of week number 6. Yes, now come forward Now come to the unit number 8, Man on the Moon. Well, Man on the Moon is a newspaper report of a remarkable event of history when for the first time in the history of mankind, men were be able to step on the moon. There were two astronauts from America, Neil Armstrong and the Buzz Aldrin in 21st July 1969. They were be able to step on the moon. They were on the moon for about 2 hours. They took photographs and they even talked to that president of that time, President Nixon, via radio telephone. Okay, so this event is described to you in this unit, unit number 8. It is a very interesting unit and it gives you the complete information about that event. This unit is included to you and you will have to do this unit work from the previous video number 7 when we start this chapter. And video number 7 we start this chapter and write all the work in video. So you have to do that work from the video. Now come to his exercises. Yes, this is unit number 8, Man on the Moon. Now come to his exercises. Comprehension number 1 and 2 are included, but now let's see. Comprehension number 1. Circle T and false. Some statements, 6 statements are given to you with 2 options, true or false. You have to identify the statement and circle the correct one. If the statement is correct, circle T. If the statement is incorrect, circle F there. Now number 1 is the astronaut landed on the moon in July. Astronaut landed on the moon in July. Is it true or false? Obviously, is it true, to circle T here. In this manner, read the chapter carefully so you will be able to solve this comprehension by yourself. Now come to the comprehension number 2. In comprehension number 2, only 4 questions are given to you, but only 2 questions are included in your content syllabus. Question number 1 and question number 3. 1 and 3 in comprehension number 2 are included. 2 and 4 are not included. Number 1 is, why do you think millions of people watch the moon landing? Why? Because they were very happy and feeling very pride that for the first time men will be able to land on the moon. Now number 3, how do you think Neil Armstrong felt when he first put his foot on the moon? आपको क्या लगता है कि नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग ने कैसा फील किया जब उसने पहली बार चांद पे कदम रखा? I think he felt pride. Question number 1 and 3, only 1 and 3 are included in your content syllabus. Now come to the vocabulary. In vocabulary, some synonyms are given to you. The vocabulary, it's about synonym, S-Y-N-O-N-Y-M, synonym. What is synonym or synonym? Synonym or synonym means a opposite word are called same meaning words are called synonym. Now look back, find this word in this newspaper report, think of some synonym of each word, use the theories. Okay, some words are given to you, you have to write their synonym or same meaning word. For example, amazing, wonderful. Amazing, wonderful, hazardous, dangerous, carefully, cautiously, small, tiny, gain, huge, collect, gather. Vocabulary number 2 is your homework. Vocabulary number 2 I have given to you as your homework. What they are saying, use each synonym in a sentence of your own. Some synonyms are given to you here. You have to use the synonym in your sentence. For example, number 1 is wonderful. I have a wonderful dress. Wow, what a wonderful car! What a wonderful car! You can make any sentence by yourself. This was your homework task. Now come forward. Spelling. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them are included. Now come to the number 1. Say these words, discuss what they mean. You have to write their meaning. Rinse. What is rinse? Rinse, 18, win, 80 or wait. These are the words you have to write their meaning. Well, what is rinse? Rinse is a leather bag. It is called rinse. As you can see on the picture, rings are called the leather belt and they tie up to the horse head to control a horse's head. پھر ہے نمبر 2 8. 8 is a mathematical number. 18 again. What is 18? 18 again is a mathematical number. Vein is a thin tube that carries the blood in our bodies. This is called veins. Thin tube and carries the blood. 80 again is a mathematical number. Weight mean load. Now come to the spelling number 2. Match each word to the correct picture. Write the word here. Words are given to you here and some pictures are given to you here. You have to identify the picture and write their word. What is this? 80, write 80 here. Wings, write wing here. 8 rings, weight or 80. Then spelling number 3, it was your homework. What to do in spelling number 3? Use these words in sentence of your own. Again, some words are given to you. You have to make their sentences. Like number 1 is 8. I am 8 years old. Or you can make any sentence by using word 8. Like I am 8 years old. I have 8 friends. I have 8 siblings. In this way, you will have to solve this exercise. Now come forward to the class writing. This class writing, in our previous video I wrote on the board. Class writing, a newspaper report. Again, information is given to you. You have to use the notes. Some notes like name Yuri Gagarin, age 27 years old, nationality Russian, date of space flight April 12th 1961, launch site Bangkok, Russia, name of spacecraft Vostok 1, what he did, orbit the earth once, what he said, I see earth, it's so beautiful. Speed in orbit 27,400 kilometers per hour. Time in space 1 hour 48 minutes. How he landed, ejected from the spacecraft, used a parachute. These notes are given to you. You have to combine all the notes and write a newspaper report. The work I wrote, this work I wrote on the board in our previous video of week number 7, video number 7. You have to copy this work from the video in your copy. Guru? Yes, so this is your content of review of content or review of midterm content at one glance 2020 and 21. You have to make the content in your copy like this. You have to make the content in your copy. Before writing the content in your copy, make sure your work should be complete. And one more important thing, if your work is completed, then submit your copy at school reception for checking and stamping. If your work is not completed, kindly complete your work according to the given solution, given content solution, date wise, week wise, and write the page number also. Your work should be very neat and clean. Do proper work and then submit your copy at school reception for checking and closing. Okay. When you work after completing all the work from the given solution and the unit number 8 work you have to do from the video. Unit 1, 2, 3 or 5. These 4 unit work you will do from your content solution which are already provided to you, and unit number 8 man on the moon work you have to do from our previous video week number 7. After completing all your work, you will make the content in your copy like this. You just have to mention the name. You don't need to write the exercises, just write the name of this unit. Like you have to write unit 1 the quiz, unit number 2 the water cycle, unit number 3 cliffhanger, unit number 5 the mysterious cupboard, and unit 8 man on the moon. Make your content, and after making your content you have to make the title, closing title page like this. I have done in my copy. First semester midterm has been closed. You have to make the closing title page. First you will make the content like this, and at the end of your content write your roll number, remarks, stamp and teacher sign at the end of your content, and make sure to make your closing title page. First semester midterm has been closed, and don't forget to make the index as well. In your copy you have to make the index according to the given solution to you, week wise and proper date wise. You have to make the index properly. First you will write first semester midterm has been started, like this. First semester midterm has been started, then write the week number. Week number 1, whatever you did in week number 1, 1st July, 2nd July and the 3rd July. Week number 1 carries on 3 days, 1st, 2nd and 3rd July. Whatever the work of these dates you will have to write here. For example, on week 1st July we made the title page, and 2nd July word spelling, 3rd July again word spelling. After completing the first week you have to mention the second week, like this, week number 2, and write the date properly and the work on your copy. This is how you will have to make your index. Your index should be very proper and neat and clean, and it date wise and week wise. You have to make your index date wise, week wise, and you have to make the page number as well in your copy. After completing all this work, your work should be complete in neat and clean writing. Closing title page should be made colorful and impressive. Your content should be, you have to write the content and make your index. After completing all this work, submit your copy at school at reception, because copies are being collected for checking. We are collecting the copy for checking. Kindly submit your copy for checking. This is your content. Now come to the next one, is our assessment. As all of you know, this is our last video. In this video we review all the content of week, all the content of midterm session 2020 and 21. After completing the content, we will take the assessment as well. You have to be prepared for assessment. Parents are requested to kindly prepare your child for assessment. Assessment will be taken. Okay, now come to the assessment pattern. As all of you know that we will take assessment also. In this assessment, the assessment based on the 3 sections. Assessment based on 3 sections. Section A, Section A, Section B and Section C. The assessment will be based on 3 sections, Section A, B and C. In Section A, MCQs will be given to you, and we also did some MCQs. So MCQs are very important. You have to read the chapter carefully, or then you will be able to solve these MCQs. In Section A, there will be MCQs. Based on MCQs, around 10 MCQs will be given to you. You have to solve those MCQs. Now come to the Section B. Section B carries the short question answer. In Section B, some short question answer given to you. You have to write their answer. Be prepared and be ready for this. Now come to the Section C. Section C, descriptive Section C carries descriptive question answer, mean you have to write the details. And one more thing, in this Section C, a text comprehension. Text comprehension is also included, and it will come in Section C. Any topic, any general topic, a text comprehension will also given in this assessment paper. So this is your assessment pattern. You have to prepare yourself for the assessment, write or memorize all the work which is given to you from this school, week number 1 to 7. Practice the book exercise perfectly and read the chapter, so you will be able to solve these MCQ. This is our MCQs. This is our assessment pattern. On this pattern, assessment will be taken to you. Parents are requested to kindly prepare your child for assessment as well. So that's it for today's class. I hope you have got everything what we learned or what we studied in today's class. Well, in today's class we review all the content of first semester midterm 2020 and 21. 5 units are included in your content. Unit number 1 the quiz, unit number 2 the water cycle, unit number 3 the cliffhanger, unit number 4 is not included. Come to the unit number 5, the cliffhanger. Then 6 and 7 are not included. Unit number 8, man on the moon is included in our unit. You have to complete your work according to the given solution, date wise, week wise. After completing, and make sure you have to make the index, make the title page, make the closing title page. First semester midterm has been closed. Make the content as well. Do the work of week number 7, unit number 8, man on the moon from our previous video. And after completing all your work, submit your copy at school section for checking and closing and stamping. And then you have to prepare for assessment. Our assessment will also be taken from the school. Okay, so this is your class. I hope you have got everything. If you have any problem, watch this video again and again so that your problem can be resolved. So this is our last video of session 2020 and 21 midterm. This is our last video of midterm content. Take care. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz.